So today we performed a circuit restoration of the bath, hall, and dining light. It is on the same circuit as this bedroom. There is an outlet behind the bed here that we changed out. After we changed out the bedroom outlet, everything began to work. So it is on this breaker here. Now, all of the outlets and switches are backstabbed, which can cause poor forms of connections. Also blanked off this switch plate here. That ceiling fan is operated via the pull chains. That outlet is the switch, so we wired it hot always.